Hey, my name is Emma and I helped a friend change their name with a deed poll. Many people think that you need a lawyer to change your name in the UK. The truth is, you do not. And solicitors and law firms are going to charge you extortionate amounts for that small piece of information. You can change both your first, middle or last name using a deed poll, which is recognised as an official document. It has been accepted by banks and any government bodies, so like the Passport Office, Home Office, HMRC or DVLA. It's even listed on the government website gov.uk, which it clearly states that a deed poll is an official legal document. Please just see the link below. Or you can use one of the deed poll templates and guides my friend and I created when he went through his troubles. So for him, he wanted to renew his English passport, but as a dual citizen of Britain and another country, they realised his first and middle name were the opposite way around on each passport. This has never been a problem before, and they had approved this before, but on renewal, they said he needs to go back to his home country and get a new birth certificate issued and also get a new passport that matched. So while venting to me, we discovered that we could do this ourselves and just change the UK name to match the other passport, saving £2,000 in travel and passport fees. Yup, that's right, a simple document saved us £2,000. We thought this could help someone else too, so we have created a deed poll guide to share telling you exactly what you need to create and distribute the deed poll to banks and government bodies. I think it would be really helpful to a lot of people. Please see the FAQs for any questions you may have around deed polls and the rules.